This chocolate bread is very tasty and very soft. Melted chocolate inside the bread layers makes this bread even tastier. Making process is very simple. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chocolate bread. Have you ever tasted chocolate bread? If not, then this video is for you. You should definitely try this bread recipe. Let's start the recipe. First, in a bowl, I'm taking 170 ml of warm milk. To this, I'm adding 15 grams of sugar. Mix well to dissolve the sugar. When sugar melts, add 4 grams of dry yeast. Mix and close the lid. Now set this aside for 10 minutes till yeast activates. Until yeast grows, I'm adding 200 grams of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. Into this, I am adding 15 grams of cocoa powder and 4 grams of salt. Mix well dry ingredients. Now it's time to add the yeast. My yeast activated well. I'm adding yeast to the flour. I'm mixing all the ingredients well into a dough. When all ingredients mixed well, I'm adding unsalted butter 15 grams. Mix this butter into the dough. When butter absorbed by the dough, cover the dough and give rest for 1 hour. You can use stretch film or wet cloth to cover. After 1 hour, dough grows double in size. Press gently to make the air out. Now cut the dough into 4 equal parts. Fold the edges towards the inside and make it into ball shape. The top surface should be smooth. Now we will give rest 15 more minutes. Till that, I'm going to grease my bread mold with oil. You can use butter as well. After 15 minutes, take the dough balls. Press gently to release the gas. Now with the help of the roller, I'm rolling out gently to make the dough flat. Don't press too hard and make it thinner. Keep it a little bit thicker. I am adding here Choco Chips, 15 grams in each roll, approximately 1 tablespoon. These Choco Chips will give extra chocolate flavor. Now fold the dough as I'm showing and roll it. Press the edges to seal the roll and place this in bread mold which we grazed before. Continue the same process for the rest of the dough pieces. Cover the dough and give rest. You can use stretch film or wet cloth to cover. Now I will rest it till it grows to the mold level, about an hour. My dough grows double in size. Now this will go into preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our soft and spongy chocolate bread is ready. I am applying some butter on the top to give some glossy look. Look it inside, it's very chocolatey. Try to make this bread. Sure you will love it. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.